Hello, my dear ones. I am in my vintage gem of a home in peak fall foliage season, and Halloween is just around the corner. I can't tell if the amazing colors of the leaves are what's inspiring me. I mean, look at this view. Or if it's having all this space to make in, but I've been getting really into the Halloween spirit. So many of us are aunties or parents to cute little kids, and we want to wow them with the Halloween spirit, but we can't really wow them with the limited schedule that we have. So I've been creating some projects that you can use a very similar, simple, easy tutorial for and make several projects. From wreaths to garlands to a haunted Halloween tree. This is gonna really make your whole home scream, I freaking love Halloween. I have a fantastic reusable blush millennial pink tree that's almost cream that I use year after year for both Christmas and now for Halloween. Give it a zhuzh and add lights. Now what to put on it? To use my designs, put cardstock in your printer and print and cut them out. These can be your stencils for any Halloween project you want. For our ornaments, trace the designs onto felt. I'm starting with the teeth on white stiff felt. Trace and cut the back of the mouth on black and the lips on red, pink, or whatever you dig. Fold the lips so the cut line aligns and snip to open the mouth. Cut out the perimeter. And lastly, cut out those fangs. Slip the fangs inside the lips to find your placement. Add a strip of tacky glue to where the top of the teeth will go. Then glue down the root of the fang teeth, leaving the tip free. Add a thick line of glue along where the top lip will go and carefully place it down. Push it down to put it in place and adhere while also pulling the tip of the fangs out over the bottom lip. Lift up the bottom lip and add a strip of glue to adhere. You will do this to as many sets of ornaments as you want. Use your scissors to trim and clean up any uneven edges. Use a fabric hole puncher to make a hole at the center of the top. Put a gold ornament hanger through the hole and squeeze to keep it in place. You can add a red iridescent bead to the tip of the fang for a little drop of blood that isn't too scary, with a red needle and thread if you want. Now for more designs. You will use the same simple steps to create different designs like my skulls. You can absolutely hand sew these instead if you have the time and patience. If not, tacky glue is your friend. Go with a classic color palette or mix it up a bit. Add hangers to each piece as you go. When you get to my bats, add the hanger hole at the edge of the wing. You can also add beads as eyes like I did here if you want. You always want to add a backing to the ornaments to make them more sturdy. Go with a classic color palette or make your ghosts have fun neon backings or hot pink bodies. Basically, you can customize these to the likings of your tiny trick-or-treater. For a tree topper, cut out 2 ghost shapes. Cut out eyes and a mouth, and a black circle the size of the face. Add tacky glue to the perimeter of the black circle and add it to the back of your ghost face. Then you'll either tacky glue or whip stitch around the 3 sides of the topper, leaving the bottom open. And voila! A Halloween tree that is kid-friendly and grown-up approved fun. Your tree could be a bat or a vampire theme, or go wild and add all of the ornaments that you want. Being a no-sew project makes this one easy and fun for the whole family. It might be so inviting that you get a few unexpected guests showing up, so be careful. Happy Halloween! Have a Halloween party coming up? These make for great party favors, goodie bags, or take-home gifts. I clearly had a bit too much fun with these and can't wait to send them off to the kids.